To rotate any image, first of all, make sure to unlock the layer. So just click on this little lock icon to unlock the layer first. Now just click on image and here hover over on image rotation, and you can rotate your image 180 degree. And you can also rotate your image 90 degree clockwise, and you can rotate your image 90 degree counterclockwise. And click on this option, and here you can write a custom value or custom angle and select clockwise, counterclockwise. Click on OK to rotate the image. In this case, you have to save the photo or image in PNG format. And you can also rotate your image vertically and horizontally from here. And then I'm going to opening my another project, and in this project here you can see a image layer and a text layer. Now to rotate the image layer, first of all select the layer that you want to rotate and click on edit, and here we can see a free transform option. Also here you can see a keyboard shortcut to open this free transform, Ctrl T. Once the free transform opened, here just you will see a little rotation icon. Now just click and you can easily rotate your image just like so, and click on OK. And the same way I'm selecting my text layer and pressing Ctrl T, and now I can easily rotate the text just like so. Click on OK. That's it.